Energy Suite, the CRM built specifically for the real-world workflows of energy-efficient appliance installations. Designed for businesses working with solar, lighting, hot water, and air conditioning projects. Are you still dealing with messy spreadsheets, missed follow-ups and delayed responses, complex job scheduling for field teams, inventory confusion across warehouse and technicians, compliance paperwork scattered everywhere, or managing installations with multiple tools, manual processes, and endless back and forth communication? If that sounds like your day-to-day, we get it, but there's a better way. Meet Energy Suite, a CRM finely engineered for energy businesses, designed to simplify and automate every stage of your project workflow. From first inquiry to final installation, manages the complete project lifecycle in one seamless workflow. Lead to consent sign, to invoice to compliance and feedback. No more juggling systems, no more lost information. Just one clear workflow from start to finish. Lead management. Capture leads from your website, social media, manual entry, or bulk imports. Keep your whole crew in the loop by tracking lead stages, share real-time notes. You can grab digital consent from your customers and schedule assessments and installations with ease. Never lose a potential customer again. Smart quote management. Create professional quotes in minutes and send directly to customers for approval. With global templates, your entire team follows a consistent format. Faster quotes. Faster approvals, stronger cash flow. Smart scheduling. Check staff availability with the smart scheduling calendar and assign tasks quickly. With the map view, you can instantly see where leads and jobs are located and schedule them to keep your team on the most efficient route. Smarter scheduling, less travel time. Installation and inventory. With smart inventory tracking, monitor stock levels in real time and track products with your field staff. Get a clear view of equipment usage across every job. No more mystery shortages. Adjust a smooth, organized warehouse. No more stock confusion. No more last-minute shortages. Post-audit and compliance. Use predefined checklists to ensure every install passes the audit. Once the job is complete, CES, VBA, and other required forms are generated automatically, and a customer survey is sent, keeping you compliant and your customers happy. Stay compliant without the paperwork headache. Invoice and payments. Turn approved quotes into instant invoices. Send them digitally to customers for payment and keep organized and traceable records. Faster billing. Better cash flow. Compliance and feedback. Store and track all compliance documents in one secure system. Share records with customers when needed and collect valuable feedback to continuously improve your service. Simple compliance. Stronger customer relationships. Energy Suite, built for energy businesses that need one platform, one workflow, total control. This is the only suite your energy business needs. Let's jump on a call and power up your business.